Hello, I am your Karan and welcome back to my channel World Record. Today we will talk about the most successful and combat proven fighter jet in the world, which has completed more than 4 lakhs combat sorties and more than 19 million flight hours, and even today in about 25 countries. It is the operational in the 3000 number. So we are talking about the F-16. During the Vietnam War, the problem that the United States Air Force realized that the fighters of the Soviet Union were heavier than the MiGs, were bigger in the size, unsuitable for the close air combat, were incapable for dogfight with MiGs, and were difficult to fly. Seeing all this problem, the United States Air Force was bought a lightweight fighter program. The purpose of this program was to develop a fighter which could come with a single engine and single seat. Later on, Boeing, General Dynamics, Lockheed Martin, LTV and Northrop Grumman participate in this program. General Dynamics and Northrop Grumman were selected for this. They made their prototypes. General Dynamics named their prototype YF-16 and Northrop Grumman named this prototype YF-17. By the end of 1973, YF-16 was ready through the first flight on Feb 1974, but accidentally it was the first flight few days before on 20th January 1974 when F-16 high-speed taxi trial was going on. During that same time, its pilot flew it for save it from accident. After many months of testing on January 1975, United States Air Force officially declared that they have selected Lockheed Martin's F-16, and since then its production has been going on. Today, after more than 14 years, F-16 is operating in many other countries along with United States Air Force. If we talk about this number, F-16s in 25 countries, around 3000 F-16s are operational. United States Air Force, which has 25 generation fighter jet, still use their F-16s in 1245 numbers. It will upgradable in Block 14 and 15 F-16s with the latest block and will operate them at least till 2017. In February 18, 2020, the Air Force Life Cycle Management Center announced that F-16 will be modified 22 times. These upgrades will make this aircraft more lethal and capable than before. These upgrades include active electronic scan, array radar, new cockpit display, new missions computer, new database, next generation electronic welfare capability, communication suites, central display unit, program data plus generations, and many other key hardware components will be upgraded. In 2012 Singapore Air Show, Lockheed Martin unveiled its new variant F-16 Viper. This was F-16 most advanced variant. It had a new AN APG-83 active electronic scan array radar, new mission computer, electronic warfare suits, automated ground collision avoiding system, and various improvement in cockpit. October 2017 became the first country which bought F-16 and new F-16 Viper Block 7072. It's about a 22 new Block 7072 20 old F-16 with Block 7072 in July 2018. Slovakia also announced that it wants to buy 14 F-16 Viper Block 7072. In November 2021, Taiwan included in 66 new F-16s Block 7072. Also, by the end of 2023, it will upgrade its 141 F-16 AB variant to F-16 Block 7072. Let's see this operational history in Israel. The first to kill F-16 on 28th April 1981. Israel Air Force F-16 shot down the Syrian Mi-8 helicopter in Bekaa Valley. This kill was done by F-16 cannon. A few days later, on 14 July 1981, Israel Air Force did their first kill, and this time he called a fighter jet. This jet was the Syrian MiG-21. Israel Air Force used F-16 during the Lebanon War and killed 44 air-to-air fighters and MiG-20s during Soviet-Afghan War. From May 1986 to January 1989, Pakistan Air Force F-16 killed 12. 10 introducers from Afghanistan. 4th of these kills were Afghan Su-22 bombers and 2 An-26s, 1 An-24 transporter and 1 Soviet Su-25 bomber. During the Operation Southern Watch, United States Air Force F-16 on 17 January 1993, United States Air Force F-16 killed another MiG-23 and this was their second skill. And let's see the general characteristics. F-16 is a single engine, highly maneuverable, multi-role translational tactical fighter aircraft. Its first flight was on 20th January 1974. Its length is 49 feet and 5 inch. Its wingspan is 32 feet and 8 inch, and its height is about 16 feet. Its empty weight is about 8,573 kg. Gross weight is 12,020 kg, and its maximum takeoff with 90,187 kg. Its fuel carrying capacity is 3,200 kg, and its payload carry-fire capacity is 7,414 kg. It has a F1000 PW229 afterburning turbofan engine which gives you 79 kN dry thrust and 132 kN afterburner thrust. Its thrust to weight ratio is 1.1 and its maximum speed is 2 Mach. Its combat range is 546 km, and its ferry range is 4,270 km with 2 drop tanks. Its service ceiling 58,000 feet, and its rate of climb is 254 meter per second. Its armament includes M61A1 Velucan 9-barrel rotary and cannon gun which comes with 511 rounds. Its air-to-air missile includes M9 Sidewinder, M20 MRM, IRIS-T, Python 4 and Python 5 surface missile to AGM-65, Maverick, AGM-88 HARM, AGM-158 joint air-to-surface stand of missile. In its anti-slip missile, AGM-84 Harpoon and AGM-119 Penguin are the present new generation APG-83 scalable RAM beam radar is also present in it. Its range is approximately 370 km. So this was the some information about F. If you are new on this channel, to subscribe my channel World Decode. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.